and SHA is a government agency. What we know, there is a lot of politics in running of some of these hospitals, and we can just wake up and some hospitals have been closed. So what we are saying, because of mischief and unpredictability of SHA, we don't want SHA. Let's just get a private medical insurance to take charge of our medical issues and our treatment. Ile jambo ambalo tunasema kwamba SHA vile inatetea sisi walimu, hatujaribishwa. SHA na mikakati yao wanaweza amuka wakati wowote tu. Sisi tulitengeneza contract na SHA somewhere kule Oktoba, wanaweza fika March na wanabadilisha hii contract, mkataba ambaye tulitengeneza na wao, wanakaa peke yao wanabadilisha hii mkataba. Kwa sababu ya hiyo there is a lot of mistrust, hatuamini na ile ambayo sisi tunaamua. Wacha SHA ikae ihudumie wananchi wa kawaida, wale wanaweza vumilia. Sisi hatuwezi vumilia hii confusion. Hatutaki SHA, hatutaki SHA.